How do you use the continue command in C++ GDB, LLDB? Imagine you're debugging a C++ program and you've hit a breakpoint. Now, you want to see what happens next without stepping through every line. That's where the continue command comes into play. If you're working with GDB or LLDB, understanding how to use this command can make your debugging sessions much smoother. In both GDB and LLDB, the continue command is used to resume program execution after it has been paused at a breakpoint or watchpoint. When you type the command, the debugger lets the program run until it hits another breakpoint, a watchpoint, or finishes. This is really handy when you want to skip over sections of code you already checked, or when you're testing how your program behaves after a certain point. In GDB, the command is simply called continue, but you can also shorten it to C for quick access. Once you type C and press enter, the debugger resumes running your program from where it stopped. If you have multiple breakpoints set, the program will keep running until it hits the next one. LLDB works the same way. You type continue or C, and it resumes execution. LLDB also supports many GDB command aliases, so using C instead of continue is common and convenient. This consistency helps when switching between the two debuggers. Let's say you set a breakpoint at a function or a specific line in your C++ code. When the program hits that point, it stops, allowing you to look at variables or call stacks. After checking things out, you can type C or continue to let the program run again. This process repeats until the program ends or you hit another breakpoint. If you want to run the program for a specific number of steps instead of until the next breakpoint, you would use commands like step or next. But for resuming full execution, continue is your go-to command. In LLDB or GDB, if you need to pause the program during execution, pressing Ctrl and C together will halt it. Then, you can decide whether to step through code or continue running. Using continue after pausing helps you quickly move forward through your code. Mastering the continue command in GDB and LLDB is key for efficient debugging. It helps you control your program's flow, skip over parts you've already checked, and focus on the sections where bugs might be hiding. Knowing when and how to use it makes your debugging faster and less frustrating.